The year is 2025. Drones fill our skies. They deliver packages and monitor traffic. Governments debate their use. Some want stricter regulations. Others see their potential. A controversial decision emerges from Washington. Night flights for drones are legalized. Proponents cheer the advancement in drone technology. Opponents worry about privacy and safety. Little do they know, this decision will soon unveil a truth more profound than anyone imagined. Roswell, New Mexico, holds a special place in UFO lore. This small town has been the epicenter of countless theories and speculations, drawing enthusiasts and skeptics alike from all corners of the globe. The Roswell incident of 1947 still sparks debate. Was it a weather balloon as the official story goes, or something more mysterious? The incident has left an indelible mark on the town's identity. Was it a weather balloon or something more? Jack knows the stories. He has spent years delving into the accounts, sifting through the evidence, and listening to the tales of those who claim to have witnessed the extraordinary. He dismisses them as conspiracy theories. To him, they are just fanciful tales spun by those eager to believe in the unbelievable. He trusts in logic and science. His background in engineering and physics has taught him to seek evidence and rely on empirical data. Yet deep down, a part of him wonders. In the quiet moments under the vast expanse of the night sky, he can't help but question if there might be some truth to the legends. Could there be something more to the vast universe? The stars, so distant and mysterious, seem to whisper secrets that are just out of reach. As night falls, Jack prepares his drone interceptor. This isn't just any drone, it's a sophisticated piece of technology designed to detect and intercept unidentified flying objects. The Skyhunter is a marvel of engineering. With its state-of-the-art sensors and powerful rotors, it is built to withstand the harshest conditions and capture the clearest images. Its frame is sleek and black, designed for both stealth and durability. Every component has been meticulously crafted to ensure optimal performance. It has powerful rotors and advanced sensors. These allow it to navigate the night sky with precision and detect even the faintest anomalies. Jack launches the drone into the night sky. As it ascends, its lights blink rhythmically, a beacon in the darkness. He monitors its flight path on his laptop. The screen displays a real-time map, showing the drone's position and the data it collects. The drone's camera sends back real-time footage. The images are crisp and clear, revealing the desert landscape in stunning detail. The desert landscape is bathed in moonlight. The silvery glow casts long shadows, creating an eerie yet beautiful scene. The silence is broken only by the whirring of the drone. Its rotors hum softly, a mechanical symphony in the stillness of the night. Suddenly, the drone's sensors pick up an anomaly. The screen flashes with an alert, indicating something unusual in the vicinity. An unidentified object appears on Jack's screen. It hovers in the distance, its shape and movement unlike anything he's ever seen before. It's unlike anything he's ever seen. His heart races as he watches the mysterious object, wondering if this could be the moment that changes everything. The object is a perfect disc, smooth and seamless with no visible markings or features. Hovering silently in the night sky, it seems to defy the laws of physics. It emits no light, no sound, blending into the darkness as if it were a part of the night itself. It's as if it's absorbing the moonlight around it, creating an eerie void in the sky. Jack's heart pounds in his chest, each beat echoing the tension of the moment. Is this a government project, a secret aircraft, or something far beyond our understanding? His instincts tell him this is something different. This is something extraordinary, something not of this world. He directs the Skyhunter towards the object, hoping to uncover its secrets. As the drone approaches, the object remains motionless, almost as if it is inviting the encounter. It shows no sign of evasive maneuvers, no attempt to flee or hide. It's as if it's waiting for the drone, anticipating its capture. The Skyhunter deploys its capture net, trapping the object with precision and ease. The drone, now carrying unexpected cargo, slowly returns to Jack, its mission accomplished. He watches in disbelief as the Skyhunter lands, the captured object securely in tow. The captured object sits quietly in the net. It's time to investigate, to uncover the truth behind this shadow from the stars. News of the captured object spreads like wildfire. The initial reports are met with skepticism, but as more credible sources confirm the story, the world becomes captivated. Social media platforms are flooded with theories and speculations, ranging from government experiments to extraterrestrial origins. What was first a local curiosity becomes a global sensation. News outlets from every corner of the globe send their top reporters to cover the unfolding mystery. The small town of Roswell is thrust into the international spotlight once again. Scientists from around the world converge on Roswell. Leading experts in physics, materials science, and aerospace engineering are called in to investigate. The town's hotels are fully booked, and the local community is buzzing with excitement and speculation. The object is moved to a secure facility. Military convoys transported under heavy guard, ensuring that no unauthorized personnel can get close. The facility is equipped with state-of-the-art security measures including biometric scanners and 24/7 surveillance. It's studied under the tightest security. Scientists in hazmat suits meticulously examine the object, using advanced technology to analyze its properties. Every step of the investigation is documented and monitored to prevent any leaks of information. The world holds its breath. People gather around televisions and public screens, anxiously awaiting updates. The mystery of the object has captured the collective imagination, and everyone is eager to learn what secrets it might hold. What will this mysterious object reveal? Initial observations are baffling. The object's surface is unlike anything seen before, and its composition defies conventional understanding. Scientists are left scratching their heads, trying to make sense of their findings. The object's outer shell is composed of an unknown material. It has a metallic sheen but behaves differently under various tests. Its resistance to heat and pressure is extraordinary, leading some to speculate about its potential uses. It's harder than diamond yet lighter than aluminum. This combination of properties is unprecedented, and it challenges existing theories about material science. Researchers are eager to understand how such a material could be synthesized or discovered. It shows no signs of welding or seams. The object's construction is flawless with no visible joints or connections. This seamless design suggests a level of manufacturing precision that is currently beyond human capability. It's as if it was grown, not built. The object's structure resembles natural growth patterns more than mechanical assembly. This organic appearance raises questions about its origin and the technology used to create it. The interior is even more perplexing. Inside, the object is hollow, with smooth walls and no visible mechanisms. The lack of conventional components like wires or engines adds to the enigma. There are no visible controls, wires, or engines. The interior design is minimalist, with no apparent way to operate or interact with the object. This absence of controls suggests a form of technology that is entirely unfamiliar. The only feature is a smooth, circular chamber in the center. This chamber is perfectly symmetrical and seems to be the focal point of the object's design. Its purpose remains a mystery, adding another layer to the puzzle. The object defies all known laws of physics and engineering. Its existence challenges our understanding of the universe and opens up new possibilities for scientific discovery. The world watches in anticipation, waiting for the next breakthrough in this unfolding enigma. Unraveling the impossible. I am called in to lead the scientific investigation. The object's advanced technology is beyond anything I've ever encountered. My team and I work tirelessly, using every tool at our disposal. We bombard the object with X-rays, lasers, and particle beams. Slowly we begin to unravel its secrets. The outer shell isn't just a protective layer, it's an integral part of the object's propulsion system. It manipulates gravity and space-time itself. The patterns on the surface aren't decorative, they are a complex circuitry, far more advanced than our microchips. They harness energy from the quantum vacuum, the very fabric of the universe. This is technology millions of years ahead of our own. Whispers from a distant future. The circular chamber inside the craft holds the key to its purpose. When activated, it bursts to life with holographic projections. These aren't random images, they are a message from the future. The projections show a timeline of human history. It highlights our achievements and our failures. It depicts moments of great innovation and devastating conflict. The projections then take a chilling turn. They show a future ravaged by climate change. Wars are fought over dwindling resources. Humanity is on the brink of collapse. The message is clear: change your ways or face extinction. The ticking clock of destiny. The timeline projection doesn't end with our destruction. It offers a glimmer of hope, a chance for renewal. It shows humanity overcoming these challenges. We band together, developing new technologies and embracing sustainability. We colonize other planets, ensuring our survival and progress. But this future is not a guarantee, it's a choice. The discovery of the alien craft is a wake-up call. It's a message from our descendants urging us to change course. We are at a crossroads in human history. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our species. A universe of possibilities. The implications of this discovery are staggering. We are not alone in the universe, and we are capable of achieving great things. But we are also capable of destroying ourselves. The alien craft is a reminder of both our potential and our fragility. The study of the alien craft continues. Every day, we unlock new secrets. This technology could solve our energy crisis, cure diseases, and propel us to the stars. But it also poses risks. In the wrong hands, it could be used for unimaginable destruction. The choice is ours. We must use this knowledge wisely for the betterment of all humankind. The future is in our hands.